Hey there, and thanks for your interest in the AI coach builders. So, just to give you a quick overview, and I'll give you a demo of an AI coach. Basically, AI coaches are coaches that you can build in AudioFlow around any topic that you like, and you can have it restricted so it only gives that output around your company's policies, structures, and the way that you want to communicate directly with your employees. So just before I give you a rundown of how these work, I'll give you a quick overview of what an AI coach is and how you can actually engage with it. So what I'll do is I will use this AudioFlow coach, and you can have a kind of sense of what a coach can do. So what I'm going to do is just put in a test email and let's go.
Welcome to AudioFlow. Rather than explain what we do, let me show you. What are the biggest challenges you're facing within your current department?
Yeah, I suppose some of the biggest challenges that we're facing at the moment is the adoption of AI. There's a lot of kind of tools out there in the L&D world, but we just don't really know where to start.
Interesting. AI adoption is definitely a hot topic right now. But here's what I'm curious about. When you think about your learning and development challenges, what happens after people finish your current training programs?
Um, at the moment, it's a bit difficult because we don't really monitor the kind of evaluation of the next steps, I guess. So we might evaluate after a course completion, but we don't do any continuous um, evaluations afterwards to see if it's been embedded.
That makes sense. Lack of follow up can definitely impact adoption rates. So you're seeing people complete training, get good feedback scores, but then 3 months later, it's like it never happened?
Yeah, I guess so. People, I would say, forget, especially when we do traditional e-learning. People tend to forget what was actually given to them because they didn't need it in that moment of time. They actually needed the learning in the flow of work.
Right. So the knowledge isn't being integrated into their actual work. Um, exactly. What if every employee had access to a thinking partner right before those critical moments when they actually need to apply what they learned?
I mean, that would be amazing. And I guess that is kind of what then ties into us um, talking now. So, as you can see, I was having that conversation with my AI coach. This is obviously around the AI coaching product of AudioFlow, but you can build these on anything from if you've got a sales team, so you can do how to do closing a sale, how to take deposits, and so forth. If it's something such as a HR, you can do like how to conduct one-to-ones, how to conduct a disciplinary, and you can have these coaches available around any subject that you create them on around your own policies. And the good thing is, as an admin, you get to have the visibility of what these actual conversations were. So if I go here, I can just see the exact same conversation that I had, and the AI will also summarize the strengths and areas for improvement around the actual topic itself. You can download the transcript as well. So if you want an offline version, and it also then looks at the emotional analysis as well. So um, you can see different rates such as hesitation, nervousness, enthusiasm, and confidence during them conversations. Um, and there's a lots of data that you can pull off the back of these coaches. And like I said before, you can build these coaches relatively easy within AudioFlow just by following the steps. So all you need to do in order to create your own coach is give it a name. So we'll go with a sales coach, and you can click on sales trainer, for example. And then you just kind of go through each step one by one in order to build the persona of the coach. And then you can see here that everything is going to get put into the persona box. And then you can either edit it directly. So you might say, actually, I want there to be X, Y, and Z in here. I want it to talk about these policies. I want it to talk about this process that we do internally. And then it will add it all to the script. And you can talk about how you want the person to speak. You can say what types of questioning you want it to do. Do you want it to be friendly and warm, skeptical and questioning, and so forth. You can go through each step of how you want these coaches to be presented to your staff. So if you're looking for more information and a more of a deeper dive around AI coaching, love to have a call with you, and we can go from there. Any questions, just give me a shout. You can follow me on LinkedIn, or alternatively, you can go onto the AudioFlow website and you can book in a call directly with me. So hopefully we speak soon. And if you've got any questions, give me a shout.